Every morning, millions wake up with a silent dream, a goal whispered in the dark. I'll start today. I'll change my life, but for most, by midday, the passion is already gone. You've probably felt it too. You set a goal. You got excited. You told yourself, this time, it's different, and for a while, it was. But then, distractions hit. Doubt crept in. Life got busy. And passion? Gone. So, how do they do it? You know, the ones who seem unstoppable, who wake up early, who grind, who smile through setbacks. Is it discipline, talent, luck? No. It's passion. But not the kind you're thinking of. Not some magical fire you're born with. I'm talking about a passion you build. One brick at a time. You don't want six-pack abs. You want to feel proud in front of the mirror. You don't want money. You want freedom, security, power. When you connect to the emotion behind your goal, you tap into passion that doesn't fade. Visualizing isn't woo-woo. Olympians do it. CEOs do it. It rewires your brain to believe, I am this person. This is real. This is mine. Close your eyes for 2 minutes each day. See it. Feel it. Own it. You're not behind. You're just overwhelmed by illusions. Stop scrolling. Start building. Your story is not a rerun. It's a script you write today. Forget 90-day plans. Forget perfection. Can you win today? Can you eat one healthy meal? Write one paragraph? Make one call? Small wins create momentum. Momentum creates belief. Belief creates passion. And suddenly, you're moving again. Your goals should feel like home, not pressure. Not what your parents want. Not what social media says is cool. Your values. Your dream. When it becomes personal, passion becomes permanent. So, if you've been waiting for passion to strike like lightning, stop. It's not coming from outside. It's already in you. But you must build it with purpose. With clarity. With daily action. You're not too late. You're not too weak. You're just one decision away from reigniting the passion that will change everything.